Earth's twin, a first glance. Venus is often called Earth's twin. It is similar in size and mass to our planet. It is the brightest object in our night sky after the sun and moon. Venus shines so brightly because its thick clouds reflect sunlight. For centuries, people have gazed at Venus and wondered about its secrets. Early astronomers even thought Venus was two different objects. They saw it in the morning and evening sky. They called it the morning star and the evening star. Now we know that Venus is a planet. It orbits the sun like Earth. However, despite some similarities, Venus is a very different place than Earth. It is a world of intense heat, crushing pressure, and poisonous clouds. Exploring Venus helps us understand the diversity of planets in our solar system. The surface of Venus is covered with vast plains, highland regions, and thousands of volcanoes. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, making it a hostile environment. Despite these harsh conditions, spacecraft have been sent to study Venus, revealing much about its geology and climate. Scientists continue to analyze data from these missions to learn more about this mysterious planet. Understanding Venus not only helps us learn about our closest planetary neighbor, but also provides insights into the processes that shape all rocky planets. Future missions to Venus are planned, promising to uncover even more secrets about this enigmatic world. As we continue to explore, Venus remains a key to unlocking the mysteries of our solar system. Venus in the solar system, our planetary neighbor. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It lies between Mercury and Earth. Venus is about 67 million miles from the Sun. Earth is about 93 million miles from the Sun. Since Venus is closer to the Sun, it receives much more solar energy. Venus orbits the Sun every 225 Earth days. It takes Earth 365 days to orbit the Sun. This means a year on Venus is shorter than a year on Earth. Even though Venus is close to us in space, it is a very different world. A toxic blanket, Venus's extreme atmosphere. Venus has a very thick atmosphere, which is one of the most extreme in our solar system. It is mostly made up of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that is notorious for trapping heat. This thick atmosphere traps heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, where the planet continues to heat up more and more. The surface temperature on Venus can reach over 860 degrees Fahrenheit, or 460 degrees Celsius, making it hotter than any other planet in our solar system. The pressure of Venus's atmosphere is also extreme, crushing anything that tries to land on its surface. It is 90 times greater than the air pressure on Earth's surface, which is an immense difference. This pressure is equivalent to being 3,000 feet or 900 meters beneath the ocean's surface, a depth that would crush most submarines. The clouds of Venus are also toxic, adding another layer of danger. They are made up of sulfuric acid droplets, which are highly corrosive and dangerous. These extreme conditions make Venus a hostile environment for life as we know it, with temperatures and pressures that are beyond anything we experience on Earth. Additionally, Venus's surface is dotted with volcanoes, adding to its already hostile environment. The thick clouds also produce lightning storms, making the atmosphere even more turbulent and dangerous. Interestingly, Venus rotates very slowly, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, which is longer than its year. It also rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in the solar system, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. All these factors combine to create some of the most extreme weather conditions found anywhere in our solar system. A landscape of fire, Venus's surface revealed. Despite the harsh conditions, scientists have been able to map the surface of Venus. They use radar to penetrate the thick clouds. Venus has a diverse surface with mountains, valleys, and volcanoes. It is covered mostly by volcanic plains. Scientists believe Venus is still geologically active today. This means its volcanoes may still erupt. There is evidence of lava flows on the surface. The surface of Venus is a testament to the planet's intense internal heat. Section 5. A backward dance. The unusual rotation of Venus. Venus rotates on its axis very slowly. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once. This is longer than it takes Venus to orbit the Sun. This means a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Even more unusual, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets. This is called retrograde rotation. Scientists are not sure why Venus rotates this way. One theory is that a large object collided with Venus early in its history. This collision may have changed its rotation. Section 6. Unveiling the mysteries, past and future missions to Venus. Venus, often called Earth's twin, has long fascinated scientists and astronomers alike. Several spacecraft have visited Venus to study this fascinating planet, each mission bringing us closer to understanding its secrets. In the 1990s, NASA's Magellan spacecraft used radar to map the surface of Venus in detail, providing unprecedented insights into its topography. It revealed a world shaped by volcanic activity, with vast lava plains and towering volcanoes. The European Space Agency's Venus Express orbited Venus from 2006 to 2014, offering a wealth of data. It studied the planet's atmosphere and searched for signs of volcanic activity, enhancing our understanding of Venusian weather patterns and geological processes. Future missions to Venus are planned, promising to delve even deeper into the planet's mysteries. NASA's Veritas mission will use advanced radar to create three-dimensional maps of Venus's surface, revealing features hidden beneath its thick clouds. These missions will help us learn more about the history and evolution of Venus, shedding light on its past and offering clues about its future. The data collected will be crucial in comparing Venus with Earth, helping us understand why these sister planets have such different destinies. Section 7. The Evening Star. Venus in Culture and Mythology. Venus has fascinated humans for centuries. Its brightness in the sky made it a prominent object in ancient cultures. Many civilizations gave Venus a special place in their mythology. The Babylonians associated Venus with the goddess Ishtar. The Romans called it Venus, the goddess of love and beauty. Venus has also inspired artists, poets, and musicians throughout history. Its beauty and mystery continue to capture our imagination. Section 8. Venus and Earth. Lessons from a volcanic twin. Studying Venus is important for understanding our own planet. Although very different today, Venus and Earth may have been more similar in the distant past. Some scientists believe Venus may have once had oceans. However, the runaway greenhouse effect caused its oceans to evaporate. By studying Venus, we can learn about the limits of habitability in our solar system. We can gain insights into how to protect the environment of our own planet. Venus serves as a reminder that even seemingly similar planets can have very different fates.